Hi guys, how are you? Today I would like to show you the Dewalt toolbox set. It's very nice, very strong. The hinges is strong, hold is good, so you can open and you can put separate all toolbox. For example, you open, you push up, then you put together, close. Everything won't work fine. Yeah. You have couple drawers here. You can open, put some tools. This one and two is solid with the slide. Yeah, similar like the Bloom slides is good, nice, strong. And you have one more for drill and another big one for drill grinder and some stuff like that. So you can buy also the hand truck. So it's now disclose everything. You can push the button, close the tab, and then close to forward if you take off the boxes. Nice, handy, not too big, not too small. It's good for basic tools. I highly recommend it. Thank you so much, guys.